is going to be the best day of your life because we're talking about factoring review. So, hopefully by now you have printed out this sheet that looks very much like the pretty colorful one that I drew for you. So, hopefully you've had a snack so you're not thinking about food like I know teenagers do most of their lives. And let's get started. So, on your factoring flowchart, like I've been saying over and over again every day, right? Step 1, does it have a GCF? If it does, of course, you're going to factor it out. Once you factor it out, then you should be back to here again. Okay, so, does it have 2 terms? Why, yes, Miss Perso, it does have 2 terms. Well, then, is it the difference of 2 squares? No. Stop. Dead end. Can't do anything else. It's prime. Let's try that again. Does it have 2 terms? Yes. Is it the difference of 2 squares? Yes. Well, then use a minus b, a plus b. All right, let's go back to the beginning. You already factored out a GCF. Does it have 2 terms? No. Does it have 3 terms? Yes. Is it a perfect squared trinomial? Why, yes it is. Well, then use what we use for perfect square trinomials. A plus b, or a minus b, a minus b. Let's go back up here. Does it have 3 terms? Yes. Is it a perfect square trinomial? No. Can it be factored? Well, try factoring it. If a is greater than 1, use the pants method. If a equals 1, find 2 numbers that multiply to make c, but add to make b. Or, if you try that and it doesn't work, then perhaps it cannot be factored and stop its prime. Okay, so always start with the GCF and go through this process, 2 terms, 3 terms, etc. So let's go ahead and try some. Does it have a GCF? No. Okay, does it have 2 terms? No. Does it have 3 terms? Yes! Is it a perfect square trinomial? No, because that is not a perfect square. Can it be factored? Well, let me try. P and P. Okay, how about minus 7 plus 5? Plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. Alright, so outside makes 2p, inside makes negative 7p. Yay, that works, I'm done. Alright, this one. Does it have a GCF? Well, yes, 4m actually. 4m, 5m plus 1. Alright, I took out a GCF. Does it have 2 terms? Yes. Is it the difference of 2 squares? No. Stop. It's prime. That's the answer. I'm done. Alright, here we go. Next 2. Okay, starting at the beginning. Does it have a GCF? 6. Alright. Took out that. Now, does it have 2 terms? Yes. Is it the difference of 2 squares? Well, I see a subtraction sign. And I see 2 squares, so it is. X plus 2, x minus 2. Then I'm done. Alright, next one. Does it have a GCF? It does. 2. I can take out a 2. Alright. 2 gives me 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. Okay, so I took out the GCF. What's next? Does it have 2 terms? No. Does it have 3 terms? Yes. Is it a perfect square trinomial? I don't know. Well, that's a perfect square. 2x and 2x. This is a perfect square. 3 and 3 is the middle term. So that's 12x. It is a perfect square trinomial. So what should I do? Oh, okay, I'm going to use the pattern. So that is 2x minus 3 squared. So don't forget, the GCF you took out at the beginning has to go down at the end. So it's 2 and then 2x minus 3. Since there's a minus sign in the middle of this perfect square trinomial, there's also a minus sign here. Okay, next. Ooh, look at these big scary numbers. But that's okay, I have my chart, so I can do this. Here we go. Does it have a GCF? It does. Well, they're all even, so let me start with 2. All right. 4x squared plus 43x plus, oh, that was, okay. So let me rewrite the problem. It should have been 8x cubed plus 86x squared plus 60x. So therefore I can take out a 2x. Now I have 4x squared plus 43x plus 30. Alright, does it have 2 terms? No. Does it have 3 terms? Yes. Is it a perfect square trinomial? That is a perfect square, but 30 is not, so that's a no. Can it be factored? Well, I'm going to have to use the pants method here. So let me multiply these together, and I'm going to get 120x. So add to 43, multiply to 120. Oh, 40 and 3. Okay. Bring down the 4x squared. Bring down the plus 40x. Bring down the plus 3x. Bring down the plus 30. Now I'm going to factor by grouping. Take out the GCF. 4x gives me x plus 10. 3 gives me x plus 10. Okay, now when I write my final answer, which I'm going to have to write at the top because I ran out of space. Don't forget that you took out a GCF in the beginning. So it's going to be 2x out front. Then one of my factors is 4x plus 3. And then my other factor is x plus 10. There is my final answer. So hopefully this factoring flowchart helped you. Just make sure you follow it, and you should be able to factor any problem that you are given. Thank you very much.